Today we have the 2021 electric Vauxhall Corsa. Just under 41,000 miles on the clock. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control, our heated steering wheel, and on the right we have voice control and hands-free calling. Moving on to our screen, we can access audio, navigation, smartphone integration, our flow, statistics and charge, Apple and Android CarPlay, and our vehicle settings and driving functions. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below we have our AC with heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim.